Whales are fascinating marine mammals. They sing, eat tons of food, are enormous in size, and excellent divers. But what exactly gives whales the ability to deep dive into the ocean without breathing or getting crushed by the tremendous pressure of the deep waters? And why can't humans do the same? Well, most whales are very, very large. This is because their oxygen storage is proportional to their body mass, but their metabolism decreases with body mass. This means their large bodies can carry more oxygen and use it at a slower rate, which allows them to stay underwater longer. Whales and other diving mammals have more blood with higher concentrations of hemoglobin and myoglobin. Hemoglobin and myoglobin are proteins that bind to and carry oxygen to the body's tissues and muscle tissues. So when whales dive, the concentration of hemoglobin and myoglobin are increased to hold more oxygen in the tissues. Since whales are huge, so are their organs. Whales have large, elastic lungs that allow them to breathe in air more quickly when they come to the surface of the water. The hemoglobin of whales has a higher affinity for oxygen than land animals, which means that they can load oxygen more quickly when they breathe. Whales experience a reflexive response to the cold temperatures of the deep waters called bradycardia. Bradycardia is the slowing of the heart rate, meaning all physiological processes slow down and the whale consumes less oxygen, allowing them to conserve energy. Blood shunts are important when diving. These mechanisms divert blood from non-critical organs and tissues to other critical organs and tissues, such as the brain, which would be damaged at low oxygen levels. Whales exhale when diving. Since their ribs aren't attached to the sternum, the lungs and thoracic cavity collapse since they aren't resisting compression. The rib cage and lungs of the whale are adapted to collapse under pressure, squeezing all the air the lungs contain into a small space. Humans can only dive down to around 60 meters compared to whales that can dive hundreds to thousands of meters in the ocean. The physiological and morphological adaptations in whales have allowed them to deep dive into the waters without facing numerous consequences. So now that you know how whales dive, I hope you can go enjoy some whale watching.